Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning to all of you.
मैम इसकी पीपीटी या कोई मटेरियल कब तक मिलेगा?
फर्स्ट चैप्टर की पीपीटी मैं कंटेंट में अपलोड कर रही हूँ।
मैम वॉइस नहीं आ रही आपकी, बहुत लो आ रही है।
और प्रैक्टिकल्स के लिए कोई रेफरेंस नहीं अपलोड कर रही हूँ क्योंकि वो लोग तो हम लोग साथ में ही कर रहे हैं।
साथ में करते हैं इसमें।
एंड
और
इफ
मैम
यू
को आप
वांट तो ई
नोट्स
बुक में
लिखते हो ना
अपलोड
आप,
कर सकती हूँ।
वो भी कर सकते हो
क्या?
तो अच्छा है। आप जो नोट्स लिखते हो वो भी कर सकते हो तो अच्छा है।
हाँ ठीक है, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। वो नोट्स जो है वो भी मैं अपलोड कर दूंगी।
यस मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
हम्म, हम्म। We'll wait for 2 more minutes so all students can join. I can see here only 5 students. Okay, so in the last lab session, we have discussed the practical number 2, that is about the networking commands, if I'm not wrong, right? So we have already done that practical, that is practical number 2, that is all about
Yes, ma'am.
the networking commands. So today we will start with the configuration of email protocol, right? That is in the Cisco packet tracer. So open the Cisco packet tracer and uh, okay, somebody from your class have sent me practical number 2. I think Pranjul is there. So प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 2 को आपको कैसे बनाना है कि जो भी हमने कमांड्स इंप्लीमेंट किए थे, लेट्स से आईपी कॉन्फ़िग, राइट? So whenever we are typing the IP config in the command prompt, what outcomes it gives, you have to take a screenshot, and for that particular command you need to write 2 or 3 lines of that command, right? So in that way you need to prepare the manual एंड फर्स्ट का भी उसी तरह से करना है. फर्स्ट जो प्रैक्टिकल था दैट इज कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ द राउटर which we have done in the command line interface with the help of command line interface CLI, right? So first practical है वो भी आपको ऐसे ही complete करना है. second है वो भी उसी तरह से करना है, right? Now today we will start with the third practical. Yes.
मैम प्रैक्टिकल हो तो क्या सबमिट कहाँ करना है, आपको भेजना है पर्सनली?
सबमिट नहीं, अभी ऐसा फिक्स नहीं बोल सकती बिकॉज यूनिवर्सिटी इज प्लानिंग टू आपको सिर्फ ऑफलाइन बुलाने का अभी कुछ वो चल रहा है प्लानिंग, राइट? अगर ऑफलाइन है कॉलेज सो यू नीड टू सबमिट दी हार्ड कॉपीज, बट अगर ऑनलाइन ही है सो यू नीड टू सबमिट ऑल दी मीन्स द लैब मैनुअल इन द गूगल क्लासरूम. So that's why I have not created a Google Classroom for your class.
ओके मैम.
एक बार सब डिसाइड हो जाएगा कि आपका ऑफलाइन है या ऑनलाइन है, उस हिसाब से मैं आपको सबमिशन के लिए बोल दूंगी.
यस मैम.
मैम हमें तो हाइब्रिड का इन्फॉर्म किया है मैम 22 से.
हाँ, 22 से आपको हाइब्रिड का इन्फॉर्म आपके क्लास काउंसलर ने कर दिया है.
हाँ मैम.
हाँ, सो हाइब्रिड अगर स्टार्ट होता है सो आपकी ऑफलाइन तो एग्जाम रहेगी, मिड सेमेस्टर है वो तो ऑफलाइन ही रहेगी क्योंकि फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर बच्चों की भी मिड सेमेस्टर है वो ऑफलाइन है, राइट? सो फिर भी अभी कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, बट देखते हैं क्या होता है. सबमिशंस का भी अभी कुछ बोला नहीं गया कि ऑनलाइन लेना है या ऑफलाइन, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट क्रिएटिंग द गूगल क्लासरूम. ऑनलाइन है तो फिर वो तो आप बस प्रिपेयर करके रखो. ऑनलाइन है तो आपको सॉफ्ट कॉपी सबमिट करनी है, ऑफलाइन है तो बस प्रिंट निकलवानी है और कुछ नहीं होगा.
यस मैम.
Okay, so third practical is about configuration of the email server in the Cisco Packet Tracer. So first of all, you need to open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so first of all, open the Cisco Packet Tracer, sharing my screen. Take two pieces from the end devices. As you can see here, take two pieces, connect them with a networking core device that is a switch, and take one router and one server. Right? Now you need to connect all the devices. Okay, पहले इतना बना दो and let me know in the chat box if you have done. Okay, so after that, यहाँ पे will give the IP address to the PCs and the servers, right? And will set the default gateway. But before giving the IP to the PCs, first of all, we need to set at the outer side for our information. So first of all, we'll give the IP address. We'll just make a note at the outer part of all the devices. So for that, I'm writing here 192.168.1.2. The same note for here for this PC 192.168.1.3. We are just changing the host part of the IP address, as there are two parts in the IP address, network ID and the host ID, right? So we are just changing the host part, that is the last bit of the IP address. Then giving the default gateway. So as and when any request goes from any PC, from any two of this PC, it will go with some default gateway. Before reaching at the destination point, it will pass through some default gateway. So for that, we need to set a default gateway. So for that, we'll write 192.168.1.1, and same for here also 192.168.2.1, and we'll give the IP address to the server 192.168.2.2. Okay, so we have set the IP addresses and the default gateway for all the devices on the network, right? Now we'll give the internal configuration. So for that, we are configuring the first PC here. So click on the first PC, go to the desktop and IP configuration. So here we'll set the IP address 192.168. हमने यहाँ पे क्या दिया था outer side पे 1.2, so the same address will give here also. So .1.2 and the default gateway यहाँ पे कौन सा रहेगा? If you see this, if I'm sending the message from this PC, it will pass through this default gateway. This will be the gateway through which my request or my message will be passed to the server, right? So for that, I need to use this gateway. So in the default gateway, I'll put this value, that is 192.168.1.1. This will be my default gateway here. So as you can see here, यहाँ पे मैंने internal configuration कैसे किया, जो मैंने outer side किया था, the same I have given at the internal side, right? So you can see here IP address 192.168.1.2. So same address I have put over here, right? Default gateway यानी कि मेरी जो request है वो कौन से gateway से जाएगी? So you can see here this gateway will be used, right? So the IP address for that will be 192.168.1.1, right? Same for the second PC, right? Default gateway same रहेगा, but IP address उसका change होगा. So close this, go to the second PC, then go to the desktop, IP configuration. यहाँ पे IP address क्या रहेगा? जो second PC का है वो. So that means this, right? I think you can see my cursor, right? सिर्फ मेरे cursor पे ध्यान दोगे फिर भी पता चल जाएगा. So the IP address at the internal side of the second PC will be 192.168.1.3. Click on the tab button. Subnet mask will be automatically displayed. Click on the tab button. Default gateway. So default gateway for the second PC will also be the same. So 192.168.1.1. दोनों PC के लिए default gateway same रहेगा. That is 192.168.1.1. Close this. यहाँ तक हो जाता है. Let me know in the chat box. Done.
मैम सेकंड पीसी में मेरा इनवैलिड आईपी एड्रेस बता रहा है.
कैसे?
मैंने सिर्फ वैल्यू वो डाली हो. मैं स्क्रीन में सेंड करूं?
बदले में कॉमा नहीं हो गया ना, देखो फिर भी ऐसा हो सकता है.
डॉट ही है.
Okay, share your screen.
Yes,
ma'am, can you repeat the steps?
Yes, Prema?
Can you repeat the steps, ma'am?
Yes, I'll repeat. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Just set this infrastructure in the Cisco packet tracer. ये इतना पहले just make a design. Just put all the devices in the Cisco packet tracer. Then I'll repeat step by step.
मैम
192.168.1.3 फर्स्ट पीसी के लिए भी वही दिया था.
मैम 2 दिया था उसमें, ये वाला.
मैम।
फर्स्ट पीसी का दिखाओ.
यस मैम.
क्लोज कर दो. सेकंड पीसी. फिर से डालो 192.168.1.3 टैब आ रहा है.
अब चला. हाँ मैम, पहले एरर आ रही थी टैब दबाने से, पता नहीं.
अब डिफॉल्ट गेटवे डालो 192.168.1.1. Okay, now stop sharing your screen. I'm repeating these steps again.
Ma'am, I can't seem to find the switch in devices.
मैम अब
Switch.
गेटवे गलत बता रहा है.
ये क्या हो रहा है? एक बार सारी वैल्यूज रिमूव करके फिर से डालो. गेटवे तो 1.1 ही है. 192.168.1.3.
ओके, हो गया. इस बार हो गया. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, so I think my screen is visible to all of you.
No, ma'am.
पिन कर दो. पिन करोगे हो जाएगा.
Ma'am, I can't seem to find the switch.
हाँ हाँ दिखा रही हूँ, एक मिनट. So Rishabh, go to the networking device. If you can see my screen, see my
Yes,
cursor.
ma'am.
Go to the networking device where you can find the router, switch, hub, right? So go to this switch here.
Okay, ma'am.
And you will find this switch, PT switch,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Drag and drop that
Okay.
switch.
Yes, ma'am. Done. And
Okay.
what connection are we using?
Connections we are using right now, that is automatically choose connection type, यानी कि वो अपने आप से ही connection type choose कर लेगा. So हमको ये choose करना है, first वाला.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm repeating all these steps again, right? First of all, Pema, just give attention over here. So first of all,
bro.
we are giving we are taking the two PCs from this devices. You can see here this AND device. From that we are taking the two PCs, right? So I have taken the two PCs. Then we have to take one switch here, right? So for that you need to go at the networking device where you will find all the networking device at the bottom side, right? The first is router, the second is switch, the third is hub. So from that you need to go to this switch and you have to take this PT switch. As it is written over there, PT switch, you need to take that switch, right? Drag and drop that switch. Then after, go to the router, the first device, that is router, right? So the same type of device will use. So take a PT router, right? एक router ले लो. So drag and drop that router here. Then go to the AND device again, right? फिर से AND device में जाना है. The second last line, you can see here, first is networking device, second is AND device. From the AND device, you need to choose the server, right? So take one server from here, drag and drop the server. So up to this, everything is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are done with this step, may I move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first of all, you need to give the IP addresses. We can give directly to the internal part, but for our understanding, I have written the note over here, right? ताकि मुझे internal configuration करने में थोड़ा easy रहे. That's why I am giving the note at the outer side as well, right? So I have written the notes of all the IP addresses to all the PCs, right? So for the first PC, I have given the IP address 192.168.1.2, right? The same IP address I have given over here, but the host part is changed. Instead of 1.2, the second PC will be 1.3, right? Now, the default gateway, that is this gateway through which my message will pass, right? So this is my gateway, right? This PC will send a message. So first of all, it will go to this gateway that is between the switch and the router. That is the gateway to pass the request to the destination point. So for that, the gateway is 192.168.1.1, right? अब दोनों PC के लिए gateway तो same ही रहेगा, right? क्योंकि दोनों PC का message will pass through this route only, right? So the gateway will be same for both the PC, right? Then for this gateway between router and server, I have given this gateway that is 192.168.2.1, and the IP address of the server is 192.168.2.2. Right? Now we'll go to the internal configuration. First, click on the PC. Okay. Go to the first PC. Then third tab, you can see here the desktop. In the desktop, you have to go to the IP configuration. So here we'll give the IP address for the first PC, as we have already written outside, right? So you have to give IP address for the first PC 192.168.1.2. Let me know that if you have done this thing or not.
Wait,
Prema, are
ma'am,
you
I haven't
there?
done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I haven't done it for a while, ma'am.
Okay, for the second PC, go to the second PC, IP configuration, and write the
Madam.
IP address. Yes,
Madam,
yes, yes.
first, shall I take connection or write IP address, madam?
No, first of all, you need to give the connection and then you need to give the IP address. So first of all, give the connections. Choose the first connection. As you can see here, the connections will be given from this side, right? The fourth tab that is about the connection, and that you have to choose the first one. If you choose the first one, you can see the bottom line automatically choose connection type, right? So you have to give this connection to all the devices. Okay, now you have to go to the server, right?
Madam,
Yes,
what is the default gateway of PC1, madam?
PC1 192.168.8.1.1. For both the PCs, it will be same. 192.168.1.1. That is the default gateway for both the PC.
Okay, ma'am. Then where shall I click, ma'am? After that.
Yes,
After that, where shall I click, ma'am?
go to the PC.
Yes, madam.
third tab, that will be a desktop.
Yes, desktop, and I have written IP address and default gateway, ma'am.
Now close that tab.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Do
ma'am.
it for the second PC as well.
One 169.
192.168.1.3, that will be IP address for the second PC. And the default gateway will be same as the first one. Check the screen. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now go to the server. Go to the fourth tab, desktop, IP configuration. Now you have to give the IP address of the server, right? So for that,
Yes,
192.168.2.2, right? What we have given at the outer side, you can see here, the note we have already placed, right? That is 192.168.2.2. Click on the tab button. Subnet mask will be automatically calculated. Click on the tab button once again. Now you have to set the default gateway. So default gateway between the router and the server is this one. So for that, 192.168.2.1.
Good one, right? Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
So are you all on the same page? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, good. Now go to the router. Go to the config. Config. And then in the interface, you have to click on fast Ethernet 0/0. Right? For that, we need to give the default gateway address. So the first default gateway address is 192.168.1.1. Click on the tab button. Subnet mask will be automatically calculated, and the port status, you need to check the port status on. Right here you can see. Then go to the fast Ethernet 1/0. For that, you need to give the IP address of the second default gateway, 192.168.2.1. Click on the tab button. Check the port status on. Close button. As and when if you have done, then write done in the chat box so that I can move forward. Raj, have you done? Rishabh?
मैम स्विच का बताओ ना एक बार.
क्या?
स्विच में क्या
Switch?
डालना है? यस मैम.
यहाँ पे
यस मैम.
स्विच में नहीं डाला है, राउटर में डाला है.
तो मेरा स्विच में एक साइड ग्रीन नहीं हुआ अभी तक, येलो ही बता रहा है.
राउटर पे तुमने पोर्ट स्टेटस
हो
ऑन
गया
किया?
हो गया हो गया. हाँ मैं हो गया अब हुआ मैम. टाइम लगा थोड़ा, हो गया लेकिन.
हाँ.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, now go to the server. Go to the services here, the third tab, services, right? In the services, you can see here the list of the services. On the left hand side, you can see here the list of the services, right? So we are configuring for the email services. So click on the email. When you click on the email, you can see here the two protocol, the two services that is used for the email, that is SMTP and POP3. So for that, you need to check whether these services are on or off. By default, it is on, but sometimes if it is off, then you need to click on button and you have to on the services. Now here, you have to set the domain name. If you might have observed that for the email services, we are following some kind of domain, right? That is, if it is an educational website, then it is like edu.in or something, gmail.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com, right? For specific domain. So here we are setting the domain as cisco.com and click on the set button. As and when you click on the set button, it will seems like blur, right? कि अगर blur नहीं होता है, that means your domain name set नहीं हुआ है अभी, right? So पहले domain name set करना है, and then you have taken the two PCs, right? So you need to give the username and the password for that two PCs. So here we are writing, let's say ABC, and the password is 123, adding the user 1. Then second PC PQR PQR password and setting 456. कॉम्प्लेक्स पासवर्ड मत सेट करना, यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड जो आपको याद रहता है वही सेट करना, right? So I have taken very simple first user ABC and I have set the password 123. For the second user PQR and I have set the password 456. Click on the plus button, the two user will be added. Now close this tab. Now go to the first PC. In here you will find the email, right? Desktop पे ही जाना है, third tab desktop है, उसमें आपको एक email दिखेगा. You have to go to the email where you need to configure, you need to give all the details which is asked. So first of all, what we have given the username for the first PC, I have given ABC. So I'll write ABC here, right? Then email address, I'll set ABC @ मैंने जो डोमेन नेम सेट किया था वो लिखना है. सो abc @cisco.com. Then I need to give the incoming mail server. So whatever the IP address that I have set for the server, I have to give that IP address. So server के लिए मैंने 2.2 वाला IP address डाला था. So for incoming and outgoing, the same IP address I need to keep. So I'm writing here 192.168.2.2, then 192.168.2.2, username that is ABC and the password is 123, right? And I have to save all this details which I have given for the PC1. Save this detail, close this tab, go to the second PC. Same process I have to do for second PC. Go to the email, write your name, that is for the username 2, for the PC2. For that I have given PQR, email address PQR @cisco.com. Incoming mail server that is 192.168.2.2. Same for the outgoing mail server 192.168.2.2. Username is PQR and the password is 456. ओके, यहाँ तक कर लिया सबने? लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स.
Madam,
यस.
what is incoming mail server in PC1, madam?
192.168
Dot one
192.168.2.2.
in first PC, right, madam? Or second PC?
Sorry,
Is it in first PC or second PC, madam?
for first and second PC it will be same.
1 2 right 2.1.
192.168.2.2. You have to write for incoming and the outgoing mail server in both the PCs.
What is outgoing mail server, madam? Then
This is this only 192.168.2.2.
it is same, right, madam? Incoming and
Yes,
outgoing.
yes, it's same.
So now I have to click on save or save, right?
Yes, now you have to save that.
Okay. Then shall I close the?
You have
Toolbar,
done for
ma'am.
both the PC.
No, madam. I haven't done for second, madam.
Now close that tab. Do it for the second PC as well.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम मेरा सर्वर वाला लाइन अभी तक रेड ही है, ग्रीन नहीं हुआ है.
Share your screen.
मैम उसमें सिर्फ डिफॉल्ट गेटवे क्या डालना है मैम? शायद मैंने वहां गलती की है.
किसमें डिफॉल्ट गेटवे?
सर्वर में.
सर्वर में डिफॉल्ट गेटवे 2.1 डालना है.
वही डाला है. फिर मैं शेयर करता हूँ.
हाँ. Okay, go to the server. Okay, router पे जाओ. Close this tab. Go to the router. Fast Ethernet 0/0 उसमें 1.1. Okay, सही है. Close. Sorry, 1/0.
अच्छा हाँ मैम, ये यहाँ नहीं डाला कुछ.
हाँ, इसलिए वहाँ वो का जो है वो सर्विस ऑन नहीं हुई है. So 192.168.2.1. ऑन कर दो. ऑन पोर्ट स्टेटस ऑन नहीं किया.
यस
मैम. हाँ, अब हो गया. देखो.
यस मैम. ओके मैम.
Okay. Now,
Madam,
let me share my screen. Yes, Pema.
can I share my screen, ma'am? It seems like it's wrong, madam.
Okay, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
No. Yes, now it's visible.
Yeah. See, I think it's like a wrong, ma'am. It seems like a wrong, madam.
But there is no red point, so I think the connections you have given is right.
Yeah, there is no red point, madam.
Yes. So there is no mistake up till now. We'll check. If it is wrong, then it will display an error, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Just go
How
with
can I
me
show
right
IP
now.
address in PC, madam? Here, ma'am.
What you are saying, I am not getting your point.
How can I show IP address here, madam? On top of
IP
PC,
address, when you just
Yes.
click on that, click on the first PC,
Yes, ma'am.
IP configuration.
मैम ऊपर आपने लिखा कैसे वो पूछ रहा है.
अच्छा, वो
Note का
that I have given the note, Pema, that I have given the note. You can see here in the menu bar, you can see menu bar. Close this tab. Close this tab. On the you can see on the menu bar or means downside. Yes, fifth tab, fifth. Go to the fifth. In the next line, Pema. Yes, place note. With the help of that, I have given the IP address.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now stop sharing your screen.
Oh, why it's getting like this, ma'am, now? This, ma'am.
What you have choose?
I did nothing, ma'am. It worked like this, ma'am.
Just connect it with the router. Yes. Okay. Connect it with the router by giving the fast Ethernet 1/0. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Stop sharing your
Uh,
screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me just complete this practical. Now, then after we'll solve all the errors. Okay. So up till now, everybody has done, right? Now we'll compose one mail from the second PC to the first PC, right? So when you just click on the second PC, you will see this tab, and from that you have to compose the mail by clicking on the compose button, right? Now we are composing mail from the second PC. So I need to give the IP address, sorry, email address of the first PC, right? So the email address of the first PC was abc@cisco.com. Now the subject is we are testing whether it works or not. So I've given the subject test and I am writing some message here and click on the send button. Right now the email has been sent from the second PC. Right now, if I want to check whether the first PC has received that mail or not, so I need to go to the first PC. So go to the first PC, go to the email, and then you have to click on the receive button, that whether the second PC which have sent the mail is received on the first PC or not. So for that you need to click on the receive button. You can see here the mail is received from the second PC. You can see when you click on the mail, you can see here it is from the pqr@cisco.com. That is the mail ID. The subject is test and the message is hi. Right now we'll check for the first PC also, right? So from the first PC we are composing the mail. So I have to give the email address of the second PC. So email address of the second PC was pqr@cisco.com. Subject is test2 and the message is hello. By clicking on the send button, the mail has been sent. Now we'll go to the second PC and we'll check whether it is received or not. So click on the receive button. You can see here by clicking on this mail, I have received the mail from the first PC, test2, that is the subject, and the message is hello. That means my both PC are working properly. Whatever the configuration that I have made, that is correct. And if you are not getting the mail, that means there is some mistake at your end. Now check whether it works or not.
It's showing SMTP authentication failure.
Share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Done. See, ma'am.
Okay. Go to the configure mail. Last button. Close this sub tab. जो सब टैब है वो क्लोज कर दो यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड पे.
ये वाला.
नहीं वो नहीं. Just go to the first PC again. ये जो वाला क्रॉस है हाँ वो. Now go to the configure mail. Last button configure mail. Okay. Okay. close this tab. फर्स्ट वाला पूरा कर दो क्लोज.
पूरा ही.
हम्म.
मैम.
Go to the second PC. Email. Configure mail. Okay. Close. Now go to the server. I need to check whether you have on the services or not. So go to the services, third tab. Email. सर्विसेज में जो लिस्ट ऑफ सर्विसेज है वहां पे. ओके. SMTP and POP3 both services are on. Okay. Close. Go to the router. 0/0 और 1/0 दोनों दिखा दो.
मैम आपने ही करवाया था ना एक तो अभी.
हाँ. ओके. एक बार ईमेल एड्रेसेस चेक करने पड़ेंगे. हाँ, दोनों पीसी के ईमेल एड्रेस दिखाओ.
तो अभी तक वापस
नहीं वो नहीं. आईपी एड्रेस, सॉरी ईमेल नहीं, आईपी एड्रेसेस. डेस्कटॉप.
जी जी.
वन डॉट 1.1. ओके. दूसरे के लिए भी सेम है.
और यहाँ पे 3 डाला है दूसरे में.
और डिफॉल्ट गेटवे 1.1.
यस मैम.
ओके. फिर से एक बार ट्राई करो.
मेल भेजने का.
कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस तो सही है सारे. ईमेल एड्रेस में जाके एक बार ट्राई करो. कौन से पीसी से कर रहे हो वो देख लेना पहले.
मैम ये इस वाले से इस
PC
भेज
है.
रहा हूँ.
हाँ,
यस मैम.
तो दूसरे वाले का आईपी एड्रेस, सॉरी ईमेल एड्रेस होगा
यस मैम.
cisco.com. Send.
सी मैम.
SMTP authentication failure. ओके. और किसी को ऐसी कोई एरर आ रही है? Let me know the status. Shri, Rishabh. Okay, Raj, I'll do just one thing.
Yes,
मैं
ma'am.
अपना जो पूरा प्रैक्टिकल है that I'll send to you, means I'll share it with you. एक बार वो पूरा देख लेना. कहीं कोई माइनर मिस्टेक भी है ना तो उसमें से पता चल जाएगा. You need to copy that practical, right? स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक बार कॉपी करके देख लो. अगर कोई भी एक माइनर स्टेप छूट गया है फिर भी ये मिस्टेक हो सकती है.
यस मैम.
ठीक है.
ओके
फिर भी
मैम.
अगर नहीं होता है तो फिर हम कुछ करते हैं.
ओके मैम. मैं आपको वरना पैकेट वाली फाइल भेज दूंगा.
हाँ, तो ऐसा करो.
यस मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay. Prema, have you done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It works or not?
Yes, ma'am. It works, ma'am.
Okay. Outgoing और incoming mail server में दोनों IP address same रहेंगे. That is 192.168.2.2.
Is it done, ma'am, now?
I am just giving the answer to Darshan.
Is practical done, ma'am, now?
Yes, it's done.
Okay, ma'am.
Save this practical. Okay, so I think all of you have done. Rishabh, have you done? ऋषभ, श्री ने कर दिया है. ओके. प्रीत, ऋषभ, प्रीत, धार्मिक, हर्षवर्धन, तन्मय. Let me know your status if you have done or not. Okay. Okay. Take your time. Rishabh, if you are facing any issues, you can share your screen. I will guide you accordingly. Okay, so complete this practical. If you are facing any issues, you can ask me.
हेलो मैम।
Okay, no problem. Yes,
मैम हो
Raj.
गया मेरा पासवर्ड चेंज किया ना मैंने, तो हो गया। पासवर्ड में कुछ मिस्टेक कर दी थी
Okay. So
कॉन्फ़िगर
आपने
मेल
जो
में।
सर्वर साइड से जो सेट किया और यहाँ पे जो आप लगा रहे थे शायद वो डिफरेंट होगा।
यस मैम, मैंने वापस से वही पासवर्ड डाल के सेव किया तो हो गया।
Okay, good.
थैंक यू मैम।
Okay, so it's time for attendance. Pranjul, have you done? Today I'm not getting any response from your side, Pranjul. Yes?
Ma'am, you said something. I didn't got it clearly. Actually, your voice was lagging. So,
Okay, so have you done this practical or not?
yes, ma'am, I did the practical.
Okay.
And I even mailed you the earlier one, ma'am.
Yes, that I have seen and that was correct. That was perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Darshan, share your screen. Okay, till now taking an attendance, pay attention for a while. Okay, 3, 8,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
12, 13, 15, 17, 18,
Present, ma'am.
19, 20,
Present, ma'am.
22, 23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Yes, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
31,
Yes, ma'am.
32,
Excuse me, ma'am. 17 present.
Okay. 32, 33,
Present, ma'am.
34, 46, 47,
Present, ma'am.
56, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67.
60
Present,
present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
60 present.
60. Yes, I have marked you as present. Okay, check this
Ma'am,
screen.
40,
46.
46.
Okay. Okay, check the screen once again. Okay, so complete the practical. You have 1 week of time, right? Next Monday तक अगर नहीं किया है तो कर लो. Okay, so
Hello, ma'am.
thank you all of you. Yes, Pema.
AN64, ma'am.
Yes, I have marked you as present.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.